When setting up a print job, carefully consider how your model is oriented. Printing the same model in different orientations can lead to notably different results in surface finish, print time, and dimensional accuracy. In some cases, the orientation of a model can even make the difference between a successful print and a print failure. This video will walk you through the best practices for orienting your model in PreForm. If this video helps you with setting up your model for printing, please like the video, and thanks for watching. First, decide if your part can be printed directly on the build platform. This is ideal for parts with large, completely flat bases, or when you want to completely eliminate support marks on a specific cosmetic face. However, direct printing requires strong adhesion, so it's not for every geometry. As a rule of thumb, always orient the largest, heaviest portion of your part towards the build platform. This creates a strong foundation. Models with branching features should be oriented so that the branches build off a common base, rather than merging together. This reduces the chances of a print failure and also tends to allow for the most detailed features of the model to be oriented away from the build platform, reducing support marks. To avoid warpage and print defects, avoid printing large, flat surfaces completely parallel to the build platform. When a large flat layer peels off the resin tank all at once, it experiences extreme suction forces. Tilting the part at an angle ensures that each layer is peeled away gradually, dramatically improving part accuracy. Similarly, watch out for knife edges or sharp transitions. If a sharp edge points away from the build platform, it can warp during the print. Always orient sharp, low-angle edges downward so they receive early support structure reinforcement. If you're ever unsure of the best angle, PreForm has your back. Simply open the orientation menu and click Auto Orient. PreForm's algorithm will calculate the safest angle to minimize peel forces and maximize success. Note that Auto Orient doesn't know what your part is for, so if you have functional or aesthetic requirements that impact where supports can go, you may still need to reorient your models. You may now generate your supports until your model passes all print validation checks. For more deep dives into advanced orientation, visit our support page. Did this video help you? If so, please leave a like on our video and subscribe for more. What video do you want to see next? Leave a comment to tell us more.